everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. I have my first ever design team box from Craftbox. Craftbox is a UK subscription based craft company, but they make a lot of their own products and they have a website. I will link it below. And I have joined their design team for 6 months. And this is my first ever kit. And I'm super excited to open it up. The box got a little beat up, as you can tell. I'm hoping everything's in here. So let's take a look. Okay, first up, looks like we got the Welcome Home box by Anna Hersum. She created these papers, stickers, everything herself. So she designed these beautiful papers and had them produced. So it looks like that's what we got in this kit. Very excited to be getting these. So first up is this is the background card in this set, but I will absolutely be using that as well. Then she's got, I believe this is ephemera. She's got all these little die cutouts that are beautiful and gorgeous, and they will coordinate with everything in there. It looks like there might be 2 of each. So these are gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. So gorgeous, gorgeous. Next up is, this is basically, looks like this fell apart a little bit, photo paper or gloss pad. It's a turquoise and teal gloss pad. And these are all glossy accents that match perfectly with the papers that Anna Hersum put together. They will look amazing with some die cuts. As embellishments, as backgrounds, anything like that. It looks like my box was beat up a little bit, so some of this stuff fell apart, but that's okay. Next up, it looks like, let's look at these. These are the 3 paper pads. So this is the 12 by 12, this is the 6 by 6, and then the 8 by 8. We also have the stickers. So these are vinyl stickers, which I believe when she was talking about it on Facebook, they don't have the white border. So they just peel off cleanly. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Without the border, which I absolutely love. I tend to, not always, but a lot of times I tend to cut off the white borders. But if you notice on their die cuts, they don't have any of those. So she might tend to do that too. This one is just same thing, vinyl stickers, but there's words. And then these home sentiments. Home sweet home. Home is where our story begins. Nothing says home like a bag full of baking. Love for this home and all who enter. Smile, love, dream, and dear bed, I love you. I love that one. And then these are the gorgeous papers. They're all the same. So I'll actually show you the 8 by 8 ones. They're just different sizes. So, oh, and look, this one even has a little small version of all of them. It's very nice. Looks like they are double-sided. They're gorgeous. The projects that you can do with these, I mean, the projects are practically done already. You just have to add a couple things here and there, and then it's a great start. I love this door. I have a friend that just moved into a new house, just bought a new house. Actually, she hasn't moved in yet. And as a homecoming gift, I think these papers will be perfect. But definitely check out my adventures in the design team. I will be posting a couple projects a month. I believe 3 or more projects each month I will post on here for you. Very excited to have this opportunity, and thanks for watching.